Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 10 divided by 2 then times 1 plus 4. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go down and solve this. 1 plus 4 gives us 5 and then 2 times 5 equals 10. So 10 divided by 10 is just 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and S stands for addition and subtraction. Then first we have to do the parentheses, then the exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction, but from left to right. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we have one addition. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do the parenthesis, then the division, then the multiplication finally. So in the parenthesis, we have 1 plus 4, which equals 5. Then we have 10 divided by 2 times 5. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. We'll go from left to right. So here, first 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we have 5 times 5, which is 25. So the answer is 25. Therefore, the correct answer will be 25.